Hi and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to review a special package with you guys and give you my first impressions. This is from Linjer, a sustainable jewelry brand. They sent me a beautiful piece that I want to unbox. They really take care of the pieces as they're shipping it to you. Like the packaging that it came in was so chic and well wrapped. This is the necklace here. It's so beautiful and dainty and simple, kind of like the name of the jewelry brand. Linjer means lines in Norwegian. They picked that name for all of the simple, elegant designs that their jewelry has, and this is definitely giving that. What I love about these pieces is that you can easily layer them and style them with any jewelry that you currently have. This necklace is the Jemma necklace. It is 14 karat gold with lab-grown diamonds. A lot of their jewelry is very well made, sustainable, and high quality. You know you're gonna get your money's worth, and their price range is affordable depending on the piece and what obviously you're getting with it, whether that's diamonds or some other gemstone. But I think the prices are very fair, and this necklace is gorgeous. This is right up my alley. I'm like a simple feminine jewelry girl. I love dainty pieces. Everything I own is very dainty, even like my statement pieces. So this really fits into my aesthetic and what I currently have very well, and I'm definitely going to be able to pair it well with other jewelry pieces I have. And with the holidays coming up, I think a piece of jewelry is probably one of the greatest gifts you can give a loved one. They're small and easy to like travel with and store. It's, you know, it's something that is also timeless, that they'll keep forever, and the material that these pieces are made with will last a lifetime. That is something that I look for when I buy jewelry for myself or for, you know, people that I love, is something that is good quality and is going to last a very long time. All of their pieces are made with solid gold or sterling silver or gold vermeil. And gold vermeil is just a sterling silver base wrapped with 100% gold. You'll get that great quality real metals that you wouldn't get from a fast fashion brand. What I really appreciate about that is I have sensitivity to fake metals, so like investing in jewelry can be a challenge at times, and I really appreciate when a brand uses real sustainable material. I know a lot of other people who have the same challenges that I have. So a brand that keeps that in mind is always going to be top of mind for me. So this necklace is usually $300 and it's now on sale for $239. And I have a code for you guys. It's Vanessa Halcyon, and you can use that code throughout the holidays to get some money off on your purchase, whether you're buying a gift for yourself or for somebody that you love. And we all love a good discount, so definitely click the link in my description below to get a beautiful piece for the holidays. It's honestly the most perfect timing. And their site includes free shipping and a 2-year warranty on all of your pieces. They also provide gift-ready packaging, which is an absolute lifesaver when you are buying gifts last minute. Another fun fact, they have these really cute jewelry cases on their website that you can pick up with your purchase and use that as a gift box instead of like a generic gifting box. All details about Linjer is listed in my description below. Please go ahead and click that link, use my code, get something off for the holidays, whether it's for yourself or your loved one. I think you're really gonna love these pieces. I personally love this. I know I just took it out of the box, but I had a feeling I was gonna love it, and so far I'm very impressed. It's so dainty, it's so delicate, it's so light, and it's so beautiful. And I think it just looks really good on my neck, and I want everyone else to have the same experience. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any Linjer pieces, if you have been looking at Linjer, this is your sign to go out and treat yourself or someone you love. Anyway, see you in my next video. Bye.